everyone! Welcome to the University Information System tutorial UnivIS. I'm Albane, a French Erasmus student in Bamberg for 1 year. If it is the case for you as if it was for me, the system of course in Germany is very different of the one of your home university. Let me introduce you UnivIS. You will find on UnivIS all the courses available and information concerning them. Thanks to that, you will be able to create your own time schedule. Starting from the Bamberg University homepage, you can reach UnivIS. Some general advices to the landing page of UnivIS, which you can see here. Do always make sure that you've selected the right semester in the box on the top right side of the page. We will only use the navigation buttons on UnivIS and never these of our browser. Otherwise, we will lose information searched before. There is a search function for persons, institutions, other entries, courses and rooms. If we're looking for classes, there is also an expert research function, which allows us to find very detailed pieces of information. The Home button brings us back to the landing page under the section Organization. We will find a structure overview of persons and organizational units of the university. Here you can find contact detail of both teachers and administrative staff of the university. On the left-hand side, we can find a calendar where future events on the university are included. The central functions of UnivIS are the overview of the classes offered at the University of Bamberg, the possibility to create your timetable, and it is also a fun book of both teachers and administrative staff. Courses are organized by departments or faculties. The organization at the level department differs between each department. Usually you can find your classes if you know which chair office they are part of. As the Language Center is not a part of one single department, the courses of the Language Center are to be found under the Zentrale und Wirtschaftliche Einrichtungen. As an example, we'll help a German student to create his time schedule. We want to search the course called Einführung in das Banking und Finanzcontrolling Übung. We have to know that this course is of Lehrstuhl für Betriebswirtschaftslehre, insbesondere Banking und Finanzcontrolling department to find it. From there, we can see that it's the first course of the list. Back on the university homepage, we'll now click on Lehrveranstaltung einzelner Einrichtungen, then Fakultät Sozial- und Wirtschaftswissenschaften, then on Bereich Betriebswirtschaftslehre, and now we can find the chair Lehrstuhl für Betriebswirtschaftslehre, insbesondere Banking und Finanzcontrolling. Our course is the first one of the page Einführung in das Banking und Finanzcontrolling Übung. We have the information about the teacher, the type of course, if it's online or in presence, the number of hours per week, and the place and time of the course. We have now to make a difference between the different types of course that exist in Germany. The lecture or Vorlesung are classes held by a professor or lecturer with a doctorate. During the lecture, we are around hundreds of students listening to a professor lecture. A Vorlesung is always linked with an exercise called Übung. For those subjects, your courses will be during the period of the lectures, and the exam linked will take place after this period. The other type of course is the seminar. For this kind of course, you have to write a short seminar paper at home, and if there is an exam, it is during the lecture period. The seminar has a big advantage for the students who study abroad and who don't have time to stay longer in Germany after the lecture period. Clicking to Vorlesung now brings us to a list that all the lectures are currently provided by this institute or chair in the respective semester. By clicking on the course, we will find additional information about this course. Not every chair uses UnivIS to give this information to students. Alternatively, it may also be on the home page of the chair or in the module handbook. We will always find information about the rooms and teaching times in UnivIS, as well as link to the contact details of the teacher providing the course. Some chairs still using UnivIS to communicate when and how to register. Sometimes there is also a description of the content of the course. It usually depends on the student area the student is in. Sociology and political science especially use this. Let's go now to the following step. By clicking the checkbox on the left side of the title of the course, you can add the course to your collection. You can also do this in the overview, so you don't have to click on the single course before. Once we have marked all the courses we wanted to add to our collection, we have to go to the bottom of the site and verify our selection using the button Auswahlsammlung hinzufügen. Once we have selected all the courses we wanted to do, we can go to Sammlung Studentenplan in order to see our selection. Going directly to the left side button Studentenplan doesn't work, as it only shows those courses we had selected on the current page, shown to us. By demarking courses, we can also drop them from our selection. On the Studentenplan, you will find your courses as timetable. There is a lot of possibilities to individualize your courses and add or delete certain information about the classes that you've selected. Now it may be that you have selected two courses that run at the same time. UnivIS will show this at the bottom of the page with Überschneidung. Usually, for exercise session, there are different slots available, so you can use the one that fits into your timetable. By clicking on the left-hand side on PDF Query Mode, you can download your timetable. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it will help you.